Yeah, so I'm just gonna do a night routine. It's like 7:15. I could have started before dinner, but I didn't. Also, I'm showering kind of early because I want to. So yeah, for dinner, we had Italian sausage rolls with peppers and onions and fries and vegetables. So yeah, I'm just getting ready to shower now. So I painted my nails. You can barely see them, but they're Valentine's. Oh, you can't see this. Yeah. I'm just taking, I stole makeup wipe from my sister because I don't have any. I'm just gonna shower in a minute. I have to wash my hair and stuff. So yeah. I'm just exfoliating my head. Yeah, I gotta get in the shower in a minute. My voice is a little weird right now. I don't know why I was talking about it like that. Yeah. I'm out. Right off. I'm just gonna put this. Wait. Lotion on my face. It's being a little weird for some reason. I'm just gonna put this coconut oil and a mascara tube on my eyelashes. Supposedly helps them grow and strengthen them. I don't know. I don't have curly hair, but I try. I don't know what I'm doing. I think I'm gonna put some mousse in because I wanna braid it while it's still kind of wet, so it'll be on my baby tomorrow. Just because we have church tomorrow, I just want it to look nice and not just straight or weirdly wavy. Because if it's still wet, I braid it, even if it's not, it's wavy. But without mousse, it's gonna be wacko. I don't know which one extra strong hold, light hold. I'll just do light hold. I want to fling it everywhere like I did last time. There we go. Awkward silence. I'm done. I'm going to be calling my friends now, so I don't know. But I will come back to you guys. I'll see if I can record while I'm calling, if I do something while I'm calling. But, yeah.
August was obviously about
For me, it was almost like winter didn't count. Summer was what mattered. My whole life was measured in summers. Like
So what I'm calling for now. Now I'm gonna pick out my outfit first tomorrow. My phone is charging. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. First I have to go grab my laundry. Be back in a sec. I'm gonna wear, why is the flash on? This shirt, which I kind of cut it because it was really tight in the neck. It's kind of off the shoulders now. In my tan cargos, this gold cross necklace, and these shoes, which are way too big because they're size 8. Now I'm like size 6 or 7, but I think that's what I'm gonna wear. Yeah. I'm in my Bible now. I'm reading through Mark, just a chapter a day. For some reason, then I read Luke and John, but I didn't start at the beginning of the Gospels, which I could have just gotten Matthew. And I don't know why I'm not reading through Matthew. I don't remember. I think it was because I read through it before or something, but there's not much highlights, so maybe I didn't. I don't know. I'm going very random. So I just like highlight stuff, and then if I have good verses, then I write them on sticky notes and put them on my wall. I'm trying to make a wall of verses, as you can see there. Yeah. I finished. I didn't write anything sticky notes yet, but I did highlight stuff. If there are verses I really want to remember, I might write them on sticky notes later or some other time because I'm really tired right now. Yeah, I'm not going to bed. But my arms are tired, so I don't want to write. Maybe I'll read right now. But first off, Mark 4:9, it says, "Then he said, anyone with ears to hear should listen and understand." And then it says it again, 23. Basically, just listen. And then 14 through 20, it's explaining before, which is talking about a farmer planting seeds. And some
was scattered on a field and birds eat it, and then some fell in shallow soil, and then some under the hot sun and wilted, and then some fell among thorns and got choked, and then some fell in fertile soil and sprouted a bunch. And then it says in 15, the seed that fell on the footpath represents those who hear the message only to say and have it at once taken away. Number 16,
the seed on the rocky soil represents those who hear the message and immediately receive it with joy. But since they don't know deep roots, they don't last long. They fall away as soon as the problems are persecuted for believing God's word. 18, the seed that fell among the thorns represents others who heard God's word. 20, and the seed that fell in the good soil represents those who hear and accept God's word, produce a harvest 30, 60, or even hundreds of times as much as it had been. So basically, you gotta listen to God to understand the things He's trying to give to you. And you gotta use what He gives to you, or else you will lose it. Yeah, I think I might write some of these on sticky notes and then come back. How was that at 2 minutes? I forgot to update you guys. So after that, I went down. I called a little more, and then I made snack with strawberries, green grapes, purple grapes, cut up. I'm just gonna have fruit salad. I had some honey. Then I put granola on it, and it was too dry, so I had milk, which was actually really good. And then I had some cheddar chips, and then I was kind of watching at the museum with my family, but I'm still not really watching it, mostly on my phone. Now I'm doing my daily gratitude writing. I've been trying to do this to, keep a positive mindset. So I'm just gonna write, I played basketball. Also braiding my hair, so I just have to brush my teeth and go to the bathroom, and then this video will probably basically be over. If I had film more, the video would be longer. It's probably gonna be 10 minutes or less than that, but I guess sometimes you don't want it to be too long of a video. But yeah. So, I just went to the bathroom. No. I had to work on editing a little bit in the video. Probably just gonna scroll my phone now. Go to sleep. It's 11:10, I think, or something. Can't really see the clock. Yeah. So. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy my kind of videos, please subscribe. Like this video if you liked it. And yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.